Here we have a 2019 Glastron 180 GTD. Red and white, single axle trailer with a swing tongue. Has a Mercury outboard on it. It's a 115 horse. Skag's in good shape. 4-blade stainless prop, looks great. Does have the marine mat on the swim platform here. We'll go inside. Does have a ski tow bar, full snapping cover, bimini top. Bolster driver's seat. Kicker stereo. It is Bluetooth. Charging ports for your phone. It is rated for 10 passengers. This seat over here, you could take the cushion up and get on and off the boat there. Or you can put it up and just have an empty space for your feet. This backrest here, you can flip around. Face the back if you have somebody tubing or skiing. A lot of seating in it. Stainless grab handles. Does have snap-in seaweed flooring. Very good condition. Stop into SkipperBud's in Antioch and take a look. We do offer financing.